Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from your Bitpanda account. First, open the Bitpanda app on your smartphone. Once you are inside the app, you will see the main dashboard. From here, tap on the portfolio section to view the assets you currently hold in your account. In the list of assets, find and tap on Bitcoin. This will open the Bitcoin asset page where you can manage your BTC. On this screen, look for the Send option and tap on it to start a new transfer. The app will now ask you to enter the recipient details. If you have already saved a wallet in your address book, you can simply select it from the list. If this is a new wallet address, tap the plus icon to add a new recipient. Paste the Bitcoin wallet address carefully into the address field. Double-check the address to make sure it is correct. The app will also require travel rule information. Here you must enter the recipient's name and choose the wallet host. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Make sure the amount is higher than the minimum withdrawal limit shown in the app. Tap Confirm to continue. You may be asked to complete security verification such as two-factor authentication or SMS verification. Finally, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Bitpanda. Open the email and tap the confirmation link to approve the withdrawal request. Thanks for watching.